Hello, I'm in a 2016 Ford Transit, and today I'm going to show you to set your date and time. So a couple ways here. From here, you could just click this button, and that'll get you an option here where you can go up or down as needed. It should just auto save. And then also from the menu, you can go down to clock settings, hit OK. And then here, set time. Again, whatever makes sense for you, down to date. Same thing, up or down as needed, whether you want it today's date or great blast from the past. But whatever, we'll leave it in the future on this one. So if now this was made before this by quite a bit. But that's it. And then if you want 24-hour mode, you just check it and it just auto updates. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.